This question belongs to algorithm subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2023. So the question states, an algorithm has to store several keys generated by an adversary in a hash table. So we have a hash table, and we need to store keys over here. The adversary is malicious, who's trying to maximize the number of collisions, which means it uses a function which maps to any one of the slots. And adversary is trying to maximize the collision, which means adversary is trying to make sure that this function always points to the same value, which means maximum keys points to the same value and thus maximum collision occurs. Let k be the number of keys, m be the number of slots in the hash table, and k is greater than m. Which one of the following is best hashing strategy to counteract the adversary? Division method, i using the hash function h of k equals to k mod m. Multiplication method, i hash function h of k equals to floor of m of ka minus floor of ka, where a is a carefully chosen constant. Universal hashing method, and if k is a prime number, use division method, otherwise use multiplication method. See, here you can see various functions are given, but you can see these functions are irrelevant unless we are given the actual function and the actual keys. Unless we are given the keys. If we would have been given the keys, we would have applied all the functions and found out which gives the minimum collision. But here keys are not given. Thus we have to go by definition. The answer is universal hashing method. And see, I will be showing you this comment. This is taken from the Wikipedia page. So what is a universal hashing? So in mathematics and computing, let me first increase the font so that you can easily see what's written over here. See, okay. So in mathematics and computing, universal hashing in a randomized algorithm or data structures refers to selecting a hash function at a random from a family of hash functions. So we have infinite hash functions, a family of hash functions. So universal hashing refers to selecting a hash function out of that family with a certain mathematical property that guarantees a lower number of collisions in expectation even if data is chosen by adversary. So it's basically, the question is just asking what's the definition for a universal hash function. So we are using a mathematical function to choose a hash function out of a family which guarantees the minimum collision. So universal hash function internally guarantees the minimum collision based on mathematical functions. So answer is option C.